We're standing here next to shortleaf pine, which is Pinus echinata in the Pinaceae family. Shortleaf pine was once prominent in the Athens area and across the Piedmont, but due to erosion, due to farming, it's been sort of pushed out by loblolly pine, which performs better on the clay soils versus shortleaf pine, which performs better on a clay loamy soil. Shortleaf pine is a tall pine. It typically has a clear, straight bole. Shortleaf pine needles are born in 2 or 3 needles per fascicle. So remember that fascicle refers to this group of needles, and the fascicle or bundle sheath is this papery part right here that holds the needles together. So shortleaf pine needles are typically 2.5 to 5 inches long and are 2 or 3 needles per bundle. They are straight and they are not twisted on shortleaf pine. The cone on shortleaf pine is 1.5 up to maybe 2.5 inches long, ovoid shaped, and it is stalked, meaning that this part right here remains on the cone when it falls off of the tree, versus some other cones that the stalk does not remain on the cone. They're fairly prickly, they're fairly firm, but you can touch them, you can squeeze them, so they do have a prickle, but it's not super sharp. The bark of shortleaf pine has these large flat plates. It's sometimes reddish or darkish gray. The key thing about shortleaf pine bark is to look for what are called pitch pockets. And they're these small pockets, these small holes in the bark which exude pine resin.